Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to share one of the ultimate software features of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, which allows you to hide photos, videos, files, messages, and any file you want to hide under a total lockdown on your Note 10. Once you hide these files, nobody can access them unless they know your unique password or PIN number. And of course, everything is fully encrypted, only you have the access. So let's dive in and discover this powerful feature known as a secure folder. Let me show you how to set it up and also let me show you how it works. Let's dive in. You are gonna love this feature and it's gonna maximize your ownership. Alright, so to set up the secure folder for the very first time, what you wanna do is you wanna go to the settings in your phone, and then you wanna go into biometrics and security. You tap on that, and then you wanna scroll down to where it says secure folder right over here. Then you click on that one and it's going to say welcome to secure folder, protect your data and make secure copies of your apps. So click agree, and then it is going to ask you, do you want to use your Samsung account with the secure folder? And this is going to be for backup purposes, so you can back up everything in your secure folder to Samsung Cloud and later restore it back into another Samsung smartphone. So in my case, I'm going to say yes, so I'm going to put my fingerprints. And then it's saying creating the secure folder. It gives you a quick overview of what it can do. Keep your apps secure, lock them in the secure folder, add files to your secure folder so you can hide them under a password and all that good stuff. So let's let this complete and then we're good to go. Now here it's saying pick a secure folder lock type. You can pick a pattern, a PIN, or a password. Now I'm going to pick a PIN number. And I just want to let you know this PIN number is independent. It's different than the PIN number that you use to unlock your smartphone, okay? So secure folder has its own PIN number. And then you also have the option to use your fingerprints to actually unlock the secure folder, so you can enable or disable this if you want. I'm going to do it anyway. It's very convenient to have it. And then I'm going to click on next. And then it's going to ask you to pick that PIN number. Let's just, for the sake of being easy, pick 0000, click continue, 0000, click continue, and the secure folder is in fact ready to go. It is right over here. Now when you create the secure folder for the first time and you exit it, it's going to actually get dumped into your app drawer. So if I go to my app drawer, here's the secure folder. I can grab this, of course, and I can put it anywhere that I want on the screen. So just for the sake of ease, I'm going to keep it right here in the middle. So when I tap on this one, it is going to launch the secure folder. So let's quickly secure this. So every time I click this, it actually requires a password, okay? And after that, I'm going to show you how to add photos, videos, and other files in here so nobody else can access it. So go to this, tap on over here, go into the settings, all right? And then over here, tap on auto lock secure folder. When you click on it, by default, it says when screen turns off. I want to pick immediately, all right? Now when I exit the secure folder, as I just did, and if I tap it again, boom, it's going to ask me the PIN number or my fingerprint to go into the secure folder. So now it is under total lockdown, inaccessible to anybody else but you. So real quick, let's say that I go to my gallery and I have 5 pictures here that I want to hide from somebody else. All I do is, let me do one picture first. So let's choose this one right over here. And all you do is tap on this button here and say move to secure folder. You click on it, all right? And then you put your authentication in there and it says moving to secure folder. That picture is gone from my gallery. Nobody can access that picture anymore from this gallery here. But if I go to my secure folder and if I put in my actual authentication, I can click on, there's a little tutorial. I can click on gallery and that photo is going to show up right over here. Okay, so that photo is right here. Now I do want to let you know, just to be comprehensive, if you want to move this photo out of the secure folder, you can click on it again, tap on that button while you're in the secure folder and say move out of secure folder, and that's going to send it right back outside into the regular gallery right here. All right, as you can see, it's back over here. And again, everything that happens in the secure folder stays inside it. All right, so over here I have the gallery, that gallery, and even this camera application here is secured in the secure folder, meaning if I launch this camera and if I take a photo right now, okay, I just took a photo, let me click that. So just took a black photo. Now if I go back out, that black photo is going to be inside the gallery within the secure folder. If I go to this gallery, it's not going to show up because it was taken in the secure folder. So that's one of the magics of the secure folder. Now if you want to add multiple files, you just select all of them. As you can see, you click on this one, you say move to secure folder, put in your fingerprints or whatever, your PIN number, and all that stuff gets moved over. And now if I go to my secure folder, just to show you how it works, gallery, boom, all those 5 pictures, including the one that I took the camera using over here, are in the gallery. Same way, if I do anything in the calendar while I'm in the secure folder, let me just cancel this, is going to stay in the secure folder. So this calendar entry that I'm adding right now is going to only appear in my secure folder version of the calendar. So it's quite a powerful tool. And of course, if I go to the internet and if I browse the web for anything, all my history, all my cookies are going to be saved under the secure folder. It's not going to have anything to do with the Internet Explorer that's outside in the actual app drawer, okay? Now let me show you one more thing. If I tap on secure folder and if I go inside, I can also add apps or files from here. So I don't have to just go outside and do the adding of the files. I can do it from, I can go to add files. I can pick what kind of files I want to add. I can even go to my Files browser, and then I can actually pick images, videos, audio files, documents, downloads, installation files right from here and send them to the secure folder. If I tap on downloads, for example, there's a bunch of downloads right over here. So I can pick this one, for example, and I can say done, and that's going to be transferred into the actual secure folder. All right, it says move file or copy file. I'm going to say move, and we're good to go. It goes right into my gallery as you just saw. It's right over here. So there's multiple ways to get things done. And of course, one thing I like doing is I like to create secure notes. All right, so if I go into my notes application right over here, as you can see, I have all these public notes over here. If I want to create a secure note, all I do is I go to secure folder, I put my fingerprints in. Okay, now I'm logged into my secure folder. Nobody has access to this. I tap on this one and I create a new note here. Okay, so secure note, and I can dump in some passwords or pins or whatever I want. So this is only available through the secure folder. If I exit and if I go back to my regular notes over here, and if I tap on this button, as you can see, that note is not going to show up here. But again, if I go back over here, it is going to show up right over here. So that's, notes right over here. Okay, same thing is possible with anything that you do in any of these apps. And of course, you can add more apps. You can create secure copies of your other apps, and anything you do on that app remains a secret. Let me click add one more time. For example, you can add Facebook, and everything that you do on that Facebook remains a secret on that Facebook application, or you can have a multiple Instagram accounts or whatever. All these apps are addable right over here. Now, let me tell you a couple other things you can do with the secure folder to make it even more secure. What you want to do is you want to tap on this button here, all right? And then you want to go into the settings, and then you go to lock type. And something really cool over here is you can actually use a dedicated fingerprint to log into your secure folder. So I can actually enable this and then register this finger right here that only unlocks the secure folder. So these fingers will not work. All the other registered fingers will not work, but my one dedicated finger, that could be this one, can in fact work. So that's great as well. So that's one way to make it even more secure. The other thing you can do is you can disable the secure folder completely, so that disappears. It's not going to be anywhere in the screen. So if you want to access that, you go into the settings, all right? And then you go into the security, and then from here you go into secure folder. All right, so if you want to hide it in your app drawer, you can do that as well. I like to show that. What I like to do is some other trick to hide it. Let me show you that as well. By the way, you can back up and restore the secure folder to your Samsung account. Just be aware of that, all right? You sign into your Samsung account and you can back up the secure folder as well so you don't lose any data inside it if you ever lose your phone. Okay, so here's an amazing tactic. Secure folder, okay? Go inside, go here and click on customize, all right? Now what you can do is you can change it to something like this. So you can change the finance folder. So when you say finance, change the icon as well. Let's pick something like this, okay? So now anybody that clicks on the secure, on a finance folder is simply gonna back off because they're gonna think, okay, this is financial data. Everybody hides their financial data, so don't worry about it, not a big deal. But in reality, you could have anything inside here, but you can just rename it and give the impression that it's just a finance folder. Most people back off when they see a finance folder because it's a private thing for everybody. Nobody's gonna think you're hiding your naughty photos in there. So that's a great way to make the secure folder even more obscure, all right? You can hide it as well, but I prefer this method. You can give it any name that you want, secret files or whatever. Depends on how secure you want to be, all right? You can also give it a letter, as you can see, okay? So it picks up the first letter that you give it in this title. So click apply. Now it's going to be secret files. So that's basically all you need to know about the secure folder. I mean, you can go inside here and look at all the settings as you please, but I did show you most of the things you can do with the secure folder. It's basically a secure environment to hide your files, your photos, your videos, your music, whatever you want, including your apps, under a total lockdown so nobody else has access to it. And it's one of the best implementations of a secure folder on any phone that I know. So if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.